No. Okay. What is it? What the one?
Mama, good day.
What is good about this day that you came home so early with your face like this? Why did you come back so early?
Mama, I've been sacked again.
Sacked? Again?
Yes, Mama.
Why?
Reasons I do not know. He just looked at me and said he no longer requires my services as a security officer, and that's all.
Just like that? Hey! And this is a job you got 1 month ago.
The 4th this year, Mama. The whole of last year, I was virtually doing nothing. Absolutely nothing. I just don't understand this. I am tired. Is it that, Mama, am I cursed or something?
No. Don't talk like that, please. Eh? Kamsy, you are not cursed. Maybe you offended him unknowingly.
Mama, how? When? I'm always punctual to work. I discharge my duties effectively. Something is really happening. Mama, have you forgotten? It was the same thing that happened between me and the UNTH people. The same thing. It's happening again. What is wrong? Why is mine different? Why?
Okay. It is not easy for any man out there.
Mama, but mine has gotten too much.
I know, but it is okay. Oh? It is not easy to be a man. Huh? It's okay. It's okay, Mom. Oh? It's okay. Smile for Mama.
What is there to smile at, Mama? What is good to be happy at? It's getting to a point, to an extent that one day I'll do something.
No, please.
What's all this?
Please.
No, why is mine different?
It's okay.
Why?
It's okay.
Still can't imagine myself taking palm wine this early morning just to satiate my worries. Can it really solve the problem? I've been thinking a whole lot of things these few days. Anyway, life continues. Now that this door is closed, I really need to think of doing something else to be getting money. I have to survive. I can't move over to the city. I don't know anybody there except the one that claims to be my elder brother. It's obvious they're going to farm for people and get paid at the end of the day. That's the way they survive their hardship in this village. But why not I join them than sitting in a bar doing nothing? Anything just to survive is not a bad idea. But what will Oni say of me, my mom, and the rest of the villagers? Does it really matter?
Onyechukwu!
Papa!
What is holding you? Are you forgetting you are to prepare abacha today? Eh? I've boiled cassava. It's now left for you to peel.
Okay, Papa. Oh. I'll do that. But let me finish off the plate I'm washing.
Please do. See, before you know it, it's dark. Oh? When coming back, get me a cup of water to drink.
Okay, Papa.
Papa, good evening.
Good evening. Go wagon. Go wagon.
What are you looking for in my compound? I just came to see you. What? Oh, you're my daughter? Did you question about her? Get out from here! But I just came to tell her... Get out from here! See, I am warning you for the umpteenth time. Leave my daughter alone. Go elsewhere, look for the girl of your choice, not my daughter. Are you hearing me? But Papa, it has not done. If you call me your Papa again, Muwagishi. Hey, do I resemble your father? Can I ever have anything to do with your father? Go! I said go, you're still there! It's okay. Get away! Go and sort out your frustrated future somewhere. Not with my daughter. You, go back to your chore. Go back now, or I deal with you. Stop accepting this riffraff. This one who has no future.
But Papa...
You think I'm playing with you? Get back! Get back! You're meant for rich people! Mama, good morning.
Morning. Where are you going this early?
Oh, farm work, Mama.
Farm work? Mbano. I had already contracted those Abakaliki farmers to farm at our farmland at Ameke. Which other farm are you talking about?
Mama, I'm not going to farm for you. I'm going to farm for somebody else.
Farm for somebody else? Why? Who is the person?
Mama, I need to raise money for myself. I'm no longer a kid. I cannot be staying at home all day idle.
Nam, I will always provide for you. Oh? I will always provide for you with the money your brother Ndubisi has been sending to me.
Oh, Mama, for how long? For how long, Mama? At what age? I just need to fend for myself. Mama, even if the whole world deserts me, I will never be discouraged. Mama,
but it is not by working for people. Check Enyanu. It is a slap on our faces.
How?
You know the reputation your brother Ndubisi is holding in this village.
Mama, pico. Reputation my foot. What's my business in what he holds? He can hold whatever reputation he deems it. I don't care. Mama, since he has made a choice of not helping me, I don't owe him any explanation as to how I run my life. Reputation, Bakwoko. Reputation, Mama, please, oh.
It's just that I don't want this thing to go this far.
Mama, listen. I'll take it further than this. If that will solve my problem. Biko, Mama, don't upset me this one. Let me just leave. Biko. Oh?
Mana Kamsy, come and eat now before you go. Kamsy. Hey, this boy will kill me. Who knows if he will answer my call? Ndubisi?
Hello, Mama, good afternoon.
How is your wife?
Oh, Mama, we are all fine. Everybody's good. I hope all is well with you, this one that you're calling. You see, I was thinking about calling you by the weekend.
How can all be well when your brother is in the village suffering? Do something for him, Nobikono.
Mama. Mama, you told me he is managing somewhere.
You call that one work? Ibonka Olu. Nche, watchman. Eh?
But that was what you told me he's doing for now, the last time I spoke with you. Huh?
Well, he has been sacked again. He has now resorted to farming for people. As we talk now, Ndubisi.
Farming for people? Eh? Did I hear you say farming for people? Mama, does that mean you're not feeding him well?
Ndubisi, your brother is no longer a child and a he needs to fend for himself. Eh? Biko, come back. Come back and do something for your only brother.
Mama, do we have to go back on this issue again? I told you that I have plans to fix my brother somewhere that is very, very, very wonderful for him. Eh? I am trying to secure him a job that is permanent and well-paying. Something that will last for a very long time. But all he has to do is just be a little more patient with me. Eh, Mama?
For how long? Ndubisi. For how long? Please now, Biko Nwam. Come and help your brother. He's bringing shame and disgrace to our family. Huh?
Mama, can we just drop this issue or say this topic until I get back to the village? Please.
When are you coming?
Well, I'm looking at the end of the month. Let me see why he has to resort to doing such demeaning job, bringing shame and disgrace to our family. Anyway, Mama, please, I'm begging you, take care of yourself. I don't want anything to happen to you, okay? All right? As for Kamsy, I am going to look out for him. I know he's my brother.
Be quick so that you will come and do something, Biko.
Okay? Bye. I love you.
Oh, thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
This woman will never cease troubling me.
So you now farm for people?
Yes. Yes.
Hi.
Listen. I know how you feel. I know how you feel, but I just have to be doing. There's nothing else I can do. I'll be doing this, and while I wait on God, I know how you feel.
I know.
I know it is demeaning, yes, but what can I do?
Your brother. You have an elder brother.
No. Listen to me. Don't bring my brother into this, okay? Don't bring my brother into this. My brother what? Are you not aware that he doesn't have my interest? He doesn't want to help me. So why you be? Is he my God? Is he my God?
What? He's still your brother.
When you stop this nonsense now, I say don't bring my brother into this situation. Okay, I know he exists, but he's not God. He's not my God, and he can never be. The only brother I have is God, and he's my father too.
But the village is certainly not the place for you to succeed, and you know it.
Okay. Do you have anybody I can live with in the city, apart from your two brothers who hate me with a passion?
But you have your own brother.
Only if you don't have any other thing to discuss about, let's forget this. Okay? Let us forget this.
It's okay. It's okay. Nah. I'm sorry. Oh?
It's okay.
You know I don't like it when you get angry all the time.
It's okay.
It's just that I want everything to be okay. I want things to work out for us. I want us to succeed in this life.
Listen, we will succeed, yeah. We will succeed. We will succeed. See, we will succeed in no time. Let's just keep believing God, okay?
But is this work not tedious for me?
Tedious, baby. Don't worry. See, listen, don't worry. Don't worry. See,
I'm
a man. I will manage. I'm a man. I will manage. See, the Lord is my strength, okay? Let me not bother you, alright? Okay? Good, good. Let me just finish up this.
Let me help you.
No, don't worry. Let me just. Don't worry. Let me just finish this. Alright?
How was your day?
Fine. Well, my day was great. I got home very early and I rested very well.
Oh, that's good.
You must be starving.
Oh, I'm starving already. How do you know I was going to say that?
Baby, 8 years of marriage, you don't expect this.
I forgot so soon. Feel like I married you just recently.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll lead the way.
Come on, baby. Let's go. Baby, another good one. And I'm so enjoying it. I can't imagine myself going to eat outside when I have a wonderful chef like you.
Thank you very much, sweetheart. I mean, I'll continue doing my best.
I trust you. Yeah, Mama called and sent her regards.
Hope she's fine.
Oh, she's fine, she's fine. It's just that she's still on the issue of my brother. She said they have sacked my brother again from his job.
Sweetheart, that boy has really suffered. He has suffered.
That's what he chose. I told him to be patient with me while I fix things. Huh? Meanwhile, I've been sending money to Mama to take care of him and feed him.
Sweetheart, he has been patient enough. Remember, that boy is your only and younger brother. Remember.
It's either he remains patient with me or he will continue suffering and punishing himself. I don't care. His choice, not mine.
People are now saying that I'm the one responsible in your reluctance in helping him.
Honey, they can continue saying whatever they like. Nobody tells me how to run the affairs of my family. Can we change this topic so that I can enjoy my meal? Meanwhile, I told Mama that I'll be coming to see her end of the month.
Am I coming with you?
No. You will stay back and take care of the house. I don't want any more problems or squabbles. Let me handle this my own way.
Hello? Hello? Emeka Enyiocha. How are you?
Mama, good morning.
Good morning, my son. I'm fine. How is your wife?
Oh, she's fine. She's here with me.
Oh, two love birds. Eh? Please, tell her I greet her. Extend my greetings to her, you hear?
Yes, Mama. So how is the building project going?
It's going very well, oh. The laborers are doing very well. They've laid the foundations. And I'm there with some workers.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Thank you, my son. They're doing very well.
I don't know what I would have done without you.
You don't have to thank me, my son, now. Whatever I'm doing for you, I'm doing for myself also. Your house is my house. So you don't have to thank me, my son.
You're so lovely. Nemoma, Ezibone, the Yopi Mama. Thank you. You have done so much.
My son, that is the last way, Me, I can't wait to move into my son's house too. It's the Lord. We are all doing our best, my son.
Listen, I be there for you. Alright, Mama, I have to be going to work now. Like I said earlier, I will see you this weekend.
Okay. I can't wait to see you, my son. I have missed you so much. You know you are my only child, eh? The only thing I have in this world. That is why I cannot wait to see you. I'm looking over all these things. I can't believe my eyes that my own son is even building a house. Eh?
Give me the phone.
Okay, Mama.
Okay.
She wants to talk to you.
What is that? Mama, good morning.
Ha! Nneke, how are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, my daughter. Hey.
Mama, it's okay. You guys talk too much.
You cannot go anywhere until you give me my money.
I will give you the money, but I don't have the money now.
Today you promised you said you were going to. I've worked for you now. Give me. Did I delay your job?
No, I know that. I don't know that I will not have the money today.
You don't know?
But I know that I will give you the money.
I want the money.
I'll give you the money.
I want it today, now.
Are you leaving my shirt now?
I am not leaving your shirt. I want my money.
Look, if you cannot wait until the time I promise you, by the end of the month, go back to that farmland and scatter where you
want. Why did you not? Why did you not? No. What is this? Look at this.
Ogini, what is it? Imagine this man. He works for me. But I promise that I will pay him, but I don't have the money today. Okay. I said that you should wait till the end of the month.
Look, if you don't have money, have sweet words. You are owing him. If you don't have money, beg him. Yes. Not to fight him. I don't like that. Oh yes.
But you said you are not supposed to pay me today or end of the month. When were you supposed to pay him?
Pay him now.
When were you supposed to pay him? When were you?
Listen good. I'm not responsible for your miserable life.
Did you hear that? Let me show you. Pay him.
Listen, I'm only doing him a favor. That's why you have a favor that have money.
Now it has dawned on me finally that I am cursed. How can I sacrifice 2 weeks farming for people and on getting to payment they are telling me stories? This is what others do to survive in this village. Why will my own be different? I am tired of this life. I am fed up. God!
No.
I want to end it.
Somebody help me!
What am I looking for? Please now.
Don't touch me. What nonsense am I hearing? Of you trying to take your own life?
Listen, it's not what you think, okay? It's not. Okay.
What else will I think of you? If not a very wicked man. So this is how you planned on leaving me? By taking your own life? Oh, you're so heartless.
See, I'm so sorry, my dear. I don't know what got into me, okay? But I promise you it will never happen again. I'm so sorry.
Oh my God.
I will never do anything to hurt you.
Do you know how many suitors I've rejected? All because of you. Little did I know
that you have been deceiving me with your profess of undying love.
See, listen, I've told you I can't do anything to hurt you. I promise you it will never happen again, okay? Please.
How else can you hurt me? More than the way you've done already.
No.
How else? I asked you to go to your brother for help. But you insisted on doing it all alone. I believed you because I have faith in you.
I'm sorry, dear. I'm sorry, my love. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please.
Now I see you. Now I see the real you. Disappointment.
Hi.
I am done with this relationship.
What do you mean you're done with this relationship? You can't say that now. You know you're all I live for. You can't say that. I said I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? Sorry, dear. Please, sweetheart. Sorry. I'm so sorry, dear. I beg you. I'm sorry.
I can't.
No, I'm sorry.
I can't.
Please, now, please. I don't do this to you. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm leaving for you.
How can I be with someone who has lost faith in his own life? Your own.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, now.
I'm
leaving for you, okay?
Ndubisi kedu?
Mama, I'm fine. But your voice is not sounding alright.
How can my voice sound well when Kamsy wants to kill me?
What is the problem?
Ndubisi, just be thanking God though. Be thanking God. Kamsy wanted to commit suicide. He wanted to hang himself.
What? Kamsy tried killing himself?
Ndubisi, just be thanking God though. He already had the rope round his neck when I met him.
What stupid and insane thing was he trying to do?
I don't know. He started behaving strangely.
Is he there with you? Give him the phone, let me talk to him.
He's not here. This is not a phone matter. You have to come home and talk to him. Unless you people want to kill me before my time.
Okay, Mama, calm down. I will come down to the village and we'll sort everything out.
Do quick, oh. Do quick, Biko.
Mama, like I told you, please, I will see you in the village. Bye.
Oh, bye-bye.
Hello.
Nemo. Yes, mommy. I'm fine. Yes, I'm already on my way. Yes, I'm coming along. Oh, she's here with me. No, she will see you during Christmas. Yes. How are you, mommy? Oh, that's good to hear. Tell me, what are you going to give for me? My favorite. Egusi and Obono. Egusi, Obono and Agbo. All right, mommy. I will see you in a few hours, 5 or 6, give or take, because I'm taking it easy. Oh, sure, I will drive safely. I've already been warned to drive safe. Yes, mommy. Yes, mom, I will see you soon. Okay. Bye. All right. Here is the thing.
Okay, baby.
All right. I will. I will call you intermittently. Yeah.
Open the gate.
What do you want this morning? What do you want this morning?
I've always told you to stop asking me what I want when you know I've come here before you, for you, everything about you.
As you can see, I don't have your time this morning. I am preparing what my son will eat as soon as he comes back from the city.
And that is the more reason why I should stay and help you. See, counsel go say, sacrifice. I can even do the cooking for you.
Thank you. I don't need it. Go, leave my house.
How can you tell me to leave your house when you know I've come to solve that problem of your loneliness? You're always lonely. Let me come and fill the vacuum.
Nwankwo, I don't need you. Thank you. Thanks for your care. Thank you. Go and leave my house.
Let me even help you.
Don't touch my food. Leave me alone. Back again, bad man. Businessman, you go.
What is your business? What? Go and brush your teeth. Look at here. If you interrupt again, I so what I'm just seeing about it as Atianya, I carry a pole. Who asked you to interrupt? Is it your business? Is it your business? Be careful there. Look at here. In a tomato, in my mouth toothpaste. With a brush, I took him to a meal to look at the business you spoiled for me now. But now, messy, if I come here again, won't forget here. Use your sense. You get it? Yes, Eba. If I stop coming here, I will worry. Come, be careful there. Very careful.
Father, this one that you came all the way from the village to visit with me in Abuja. I hope there's no problem.
Yes, I came for a seminar, so I decided to see some of the parishioners before leaving.
That is very wonderful of you.
And I also want to tell you that the church have decided to build a befitting residential house for the priest.
So when is the launching?
Honestly, we've already commenced on it. That's why I came to intimate you about it.
Like how much money are we talking about here?
In the neighborhood of 25 million naira.
I will write off the project. Don't worry about it.
That is wonderful. The Lord bless you.
Bless you too, my brother. It is not a problem. What good are we if not living and providing in the God's vineyard? You know, if the need be, I will provide more funds for the project.
Jesus. You are really God sent.
Thank you.
I pray that God will replenish your bounds and establish your income, widen your financial breakthrough in the name of Jesus.
Amen. Amen. Let me give you the check right away, Father.
You're a very big man.
So, Father,
check. Oh, Melora, hi, Chief.
Let me pray for you. May the Lord bless you, raise you, establish you.
You're a very big man. Onasagi, Omelora High Chief, Sasagi, Oyeji Benana,
Your mother brought a complaint to me concerning your brother Kamsy. She said he attempted suicide. Honestly, such a story is not supposed to be heard of. A relation of yours. Talk of being your own blood brother. So I personally want to appeal with you.
Father, you don't have to do or make any personal appeal to me. As far as Kamsy, my brother, is concerned, I will handle that issue. Okay?
Please do, because this is getting out.
And when do you intend to go back to the village?
Precisely tomorrow morning.
Good. In that case, I will arrange one of my boys to take you back home.
That'll be very nice. May the good Lord and Blessed Virgin Mary bless you in the name of God, Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Oh boy! How are you? Is this you? Hey, now look at me. How far? Good, Joe. Where are you coming from? I just went out to cut some check a farm I'm doing. Then by the time I came out, I said, you pass. I'm just coming in. I've not even gotten home. You just come in. I'm telling you. You are the first I've seen. Nah, we are managing. We are managing. My brother. Unemo. Mama, you're welcome, my son. Mama, the mama. You are looking so healthy. Mommy, you are deceiving me. You are deceiving where you say your legs. As soon as you told me you were coming, everything. Better way. Nice to see you. How are you, my son? I'm fine. I've missed you so much. Mommy, I miss you too. I miss you. You came with your friend. I saw him on the way. Look at how he's looking. He's up. Now, how are you? I'm fine. How is your mother? She's fine. Welcome, eh? Thank you. Where's your wife? You didn't come with your wife. Mommy, I left her in Abuja. She's doing something for me at home. Don't tell me you didn't come with her because I told you. I don't just like it. I told you to come with her now. Mama, easy. Why she will come and see you December before. She will come. Okay. Mama, I'm so happy to see you. Mama. This dance is for you. Mama. Mama, welcome, eh? Can we just finish what I'm doing, okay, eh? Mommy. Come on,
Hey, Amy.
Mama.
See how handsome you have become. Your wife is really taking care of you.
Mama, she's trying her best.
Child.
Mama, how are you? Yeah, you're looking well.
I thank God. I thank God.
But who put that one?
God has been helping me.
It's a long story now.
Yes, so I just pray that God will remember your friend here one day.
God will remember Kamsy. People like Kamsy should not suffer. Kamsy, God has already remembered in Jesus' name. My wife said I should give you.
Abada! Hi! Ew! May God bless you people for me.
Amen.
Hey! Tell her that I said that God will continue to bless her.
Amen.
Thank you.
Mama, I want one or two places.
Before you start going to one or two places, people should just wait and eat. Hi! Umaka.
What happened?
My brother, life has been like that too. It has been like that since one situation to the other. Nothing working. Nothing seems to be working.
No, but the last time I met you, you said you had a job.
Me? Chief Games company. One day I went to work and the man just told me that he no longer requires my services. In fact, you would have even asked me what kind of job. Security officer. That is to say, gate man. It's been like that too. Since then, from there to farming for people, doing some menial jobs here and there. You know, the frustration got so much that, Marcus, let me tell you the truth. I almost committed suicide.
God forbid that thing.
That's the only thing I could do.
Really?
Yes.
God. So what is your brother doing about this situation?
My brother. One is in Abuja enjoying himself, his money and his wife. That's what, nothing, just enjoying his money.
But last time I saw you, you said people had reached an agreement and he had actually agreed to do something to end this situation.
Yeah, so promises here and there, promises. He did not fulfill a single one. Jehovah. Don't you see him in Abuja?
Yeah, I see him once in a while. Each time I go to zone 2, you know. And these things are happening. Your brother is busy donating generously to NGOs in the city. When you hear the money, millions of naira.
You are taking it too far. Let me bring you back here in the village. Do you know that as I speak with you, plans are on their way to build a residential quarters for the priest? Who is behind it? My brother. At the cost of 25 million naira, he has given them cash.
Speak level. 25 million.
What mean?
He would have just brought out 5 million and settle you. Give them 20 million. God will understand.
Sorry.
And all this wahala will just end. Jesus Christ, this is wickedness.
See, he can keep his money. I don't need it again. I don't need his money.
Don't worry. Just calm down. Jehovah God is on his way.
Amen.
Jehovah God has already answered your prayer.
Amen.
He is at your doorstep.
Amen.
I'm telling you, believe it. This has changed already.
Amen.
Chill, my brother.
Chill. You're looking good though.
Oh God, Oluwa is involved. Jehovah God is involved.
You should be involved in my case. So.
No, your own answer has come. I am telling you, your answer has come. Let me you again. Hey, Popo. See,
How are you?
I'm fine. Welcome.
Where is Kamsy so that he can bring out the stuff from the boat?
He went out with his friend Emeka that came back from Abuja this afternoon.
Okay. Well, if he comes back, we need to talk.
Okay. You want to go back to your house?
No, Mama. I came home. I hope you prepared something. I'm hungry.
You trust me.
You know my specialty.
I know. I know. When he comes back, he will bring them.
Okay.
How is your wife?
Mama, she's fine though. Fine. Kamsy, what has come over you? Eh? What? Look, if you want to die, let it not be in this house. Since you are hell-bent on bringing shame and disgrace to this family of great repute.
Ndubisi, it's okay. He will not die.
Mama, don't tell me it's okay. Why will I be hearing about his ill behavior all the time? Is he the only young man that is yet to secure a job after school?
Hey! Enough of it, Ndubisi. Enough of this nonsense. Mama, please, warn your son to stay away from my affairs. Warn him. Ndubisi, you never cared now. So how is it your business with how I run my family, Mr. Perfect? Stay away from my life.
Mama, did you hear your son? Somebody I'm planning to help.
Plan, help.
Shut up.
Okay.
I don't want you to say a word again.
Okay. Imagine the way he's talking to me.
And who are you? Ndubisi, who are you? Ndubisi, who are you? You do not want a thing to me, Ndubisi. You are worthless. I said it. Shut up. I Kamsy Yochuku. I said it. Shut up. Worthless.
I said shut up. How dare you talk to your elder brother like this? Eh? How dare you talk to your elder brother like that? Ndubisi is 9 years older than you are.
So?
Is he your mate?
So what? Mama, see, I don't know why you invited me for this useless meeting. To be discussing with this. I don't want to say certain things, so I don't want to. Just tell him, Ndubisi, leave my life alone. I don't need your help. Keep it to yourself. But let me tell you something, Ndubisi. I will survive. Ndubisi, I will surprise you. What are you talking about? Brother my foot. My brother my foot. Have you not heard, Mama? Have you not heard of how he has been donating monies to churches, to people, and I donate this? Look at my situation here. You call yourself my brother. I don't need your help. Keep your help to yourself. But let me tell you something. I will survive. I will surprise you. Brother my foot. Nonsense.
Kamsy Yochuku.
Mama, don't call me.
Ndubisi, please. Disregard anything he has said. Disregard everything that he has said. You know he's a frustrated man. Please, in any way you can help him, please help him. Onwambiko. Please.
Nah, it's too far. You know, this is my condition. Well, as a situation or circumstances is getting alarming.
It's okay. I mean, these things happen. You understand? It's just that when it comes to us, it seems as if our own is the worst.
No,
but anyway, I have been thinking about this, your situation, since I got back. And I finally reached a conclusion. I just wanted to let you know what I have in mind. If you will do my kind of business, then you follow me to Abuja. When we get there, you don't like it, we'll look for something else for you to do.
What do you mean by whether I like this your kind of business? Why won't I like it? What are you talking about? Especially if it's the same kind of business that has made you this success. Why won't I like it? I love the opportunity. What are you talking about?
Then fair enough. Go discuss with your people while I discuss with my own people.
Because I should go and discuss with my people. My people is me.
Oh, you are your people now.
Look at this man. They're going to here. See, let me tell you. Mekus. My brother, God bless you.
No, you have just ended it, no problem.
God bless you.
Wait, you can't wait.
No, wait, I'm thanking you. Say, come to go.
Wait.
You're here. I was even looking for you inside and to come and eat your food. And I didn't see you. I didn't even know you were here. Emmy? Emeka? What is wrong?
Nothing really.
What are you thinking about?
I'm bothered about my friend, Kamsy.
Your friend? Who?
That guy has suffered so much. I can't imagine he even tried committing suicide.
I heard about it. And I wonder what pushed him into doing that. Such a young, promising man that is full of hopes. Huh? I thank God that his mother was there to stop him. Otherwise, by now he would have been a dead man.
I think he believes that the whole village sees him as a never-do-well, a man that cannot amount to nothing. He's so frustrated. But Kamsy has been my childhood friend. Mama, I cannot abandon him here in the village to continue to suffer. I cannot.
My son, what baffles me the most is his elder brother Ndubisi refusing in helping him. Of what benefit is his own wealth if he gains the whole world? Why his only brother wallows in abject poverty in the village?
Mama, that is what baffles everybody. We all live in the same Abuja together. Ndubisi is very rich. He has so much money that he can train Kamsy to any level and it will not affect him. Mama, he donates to NGOs, charity homes. Mama, if you hear the amount, is running into millions of naira.
Hey!
Yet,
that boy in Ndubisi, he is very wicked and heartless. God forbid. His only brother. Oh, I have never seen such a thing in my life.
Mama, that is what I've been thinking about. I want to help him. That guy has saved my life severally. I can imagine that early morning I was almost drowned. Kamsy risked his life, dive into the sea to rescue me, which he did severally. When people beat me up in school, he will always be there to fight for me. Mama, it will be unfair of me if I don't help Kamsy out of this bondage of hardship. It will be unfair.
It's alright, my son. It's okay. But how do you intend actualizing this?
Well, I'm thinking of taking him back to Abuja with me. Coach him in my trade now that he has personally indicated interest.
Okay. It's alright. But have you discussed this with your wife?
Mama, I couldn't have. I just wanted to mute the idea to you to know your opinion and what you think, your views, before I can actually tell her.
It's alright, my son. No problem. Come, let's go. Good night.
Okay, I will do.
Okay. Let me dish it.
Hello, my lovely princess, my baby. How you doing today, baby?
Boring without you. You've been gone for just 3 days and it feels like you've been gone for about a week.
Don't worry, I'll soon be back. Do you know that mommy wants to roast me, fry me, and eat me raw for not bringing you back with me to the village?
Oh, Mama, I miss her. I must see her this Xmas. I must.
Oh, sure. Sweetheart, there's this thing I've been meaning to discuss with you.
Okay. I hope there's no problem.
Oh, no, not at all. You know my friend Kamsy?
Kamsy? Yeah, your classmate?
Do you know that I got back to the village and saw him roaming about aimlessly with no one willing to help him out?
Oh, that's such a pity.
Well, he's been pestering my life to help him out. And my conscience, it's pricking me if I fail to help him.
So, what do you intend to do for him?
Bringing him back with me to Abuja to fix him in one business or the other, so that he can find his feet.
That's nice.
You see why I've always, Mama, loved you. You see why I love you continuously. I know I can always count and bank on you. Thank you very much for your understanding and support.
Going by the stories I've heard about this guy from your childhood days, he's been your friend and he's been a really nice person. I don't mind. But meanwhile, I hope you have discussed this with Mama.
No. I wanted to sort your opinion. You're my darling wife, to see what you think of the issue before I can discuss with Mama. I know Mama won't have any problem. She will support it.
Okay then. It means you have it all covered. Now, back to you and I. When are you coming back? I am so lonely.
Don't worry, sweetheart. I'm missing you too. I'm so lonely here. Just the activities here, so much. But give or take, I'll be back on Saturday.
Okay.
Bye.
So you will be leaving this our village finally?
Mama, by the grace of God, God has done it. Mama, do you know that I told him? He now said, agreed that he will discuss it with the wife and mother. Now, they have finally agreed.
Hey.
So, by the way things are, by the special grace of God, I'll be joining them to Abuja this Saturday.
So soon?
Mama, hey. God has finally remembered me. Mama, I have suffered.
You have one more. You have. Chai! Emeka is just a godsend.
Mama, God said, having him as a friend is 1,000 times better than having a so-called uncaring brother.
Kamsy, Biko, let him do BCB.
Jimiaka, am I bothering him? Aboromioko.
Now, when you get to Abuja, try and locate him so that he will know you're there.
Mama, Biko. Me, Mwabo Kamsy, locating Ndubisi, God forbid. Not me.
Mbano, he's your older brother. Show him that respect.
Mama, I do not have a brother.
He is still your brother.
Okay. Let me get there first. But all I want to let you know is that I do not have a brother. I only have a man I share the same surname with. That's all.
Hey, Kamsy, your Chukwu. Amy, words cannot describe how happy I am about this your decision of taking him. May God continue to bless you and enrich you.
Amio, and you too, Mama.
Amy, Mama, there's something I want to tell you. Please, try as much as possible to tolerate his stubbornness.
Mama, I'm not stubborn.
I know my son. I know my son.
Mama, I will do everything within my power to make sure Kamsy succeeds like me.
How?
Wow. I mean, Kamsy is like my brother now.
Chai.
Remember school days now? I used to finish in the drive. I can't sit down.
Mama,
your wife for
yes,
me,
we have to start going because the road is fast.
I know.
Mama.
No. Remember my advice, you
Mommy,
and when you get there, try and look out for your brother. You may wake up my way.
Mama, I'm going to take care of yourself. I cannot forgive you from time to time. I'll stop on there.
Safe journey. Hi.
Hey, look.
Clean woman.
Oh, my sister. Hey, welcome. Good morning, my dear. You're welcome. How are you?
I have come to thank you for what your son has done for my son.
Is that why you came? You shouldn't have bothered. Hey, but there's no problem. You know your son, Kamsy, is my son's childhood friend. And he needed to help him. So when he saw his situation, he said, Mommy, should I be of help? I said, no problem.
I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Mama Emeka, when my son Kamsy told me about it, I thought it was a big joke. The next thing I saw was him packing all his things. And I say, may God continue to bless Emeka for me.
Amen. Amen. My sister, you know life is all about giving and helping those who are in need. Especially those who are in position to do so. Amen.
Exactly. You know they say charity begins at home.
This one. All you saw that happened is the Lord's doing. And we should give glory to Him. And then come. Let me go and offer you some ideas.
It is too early.
Don't tell me that. Come, let me give you something to eat inside.
I don't drink tea.
Don't worry, my friend. I'll give you more.
Hey.
Welcome to my humble abode. Just small.
Now, this is what I call mansion.
You can say that.
Home. So simple and nice.
Hey, my brother.
Well done.
Come inside.
Now, come. You think I'll stay here?
Kamsy. Hey. My brother, you're welcome. You're welcome. Come inside. Honey, sweetheart. Oh, my darling.
I
missed you. Just wanted to surprise you.
Hi. How are you? I'm fine. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to our home.
Oh, thank you so much.
How was your trip?
Oh, fine.
Okay. Please have a seat.
Nah, baby. Nah. Sit down.
Sweetheart.
What?
We are hungry.
You just got in. Come on. Even your friend has not complained of hunger.
But I'm complaining. I'm hungry. So what are you going to do about it?
I'll fix you something to eat. Come.
Good. And now, I remember Mommy slapped me because I did not bring her back to the village with me.
Oh, where's this?
I will deal with it. No, I mean it. I will deal with it. Me cannot do anything. More, I cannot do anything. More. Go and get my food first. Get my food first. Get my food first. Because of you, I receive one hot slap. Hey, for him. See. And go.
You are doing well now.
What will we do?
I
I want to be like you when
Now, let me show you your room.
Okay.
Kamsy, my guy.
So, honey, what are your plans concerning him now that he's there?
Well, I thought of like taking him around my business to coach him, you know, my kind of business, to see how his performance would be, if he would do well or not, before, you know, looking for something else for him.
Okay.
I think that's exactly what I have in mind now. I don't know if you have any other thing in mind.
Okay, sounds good.
No, baby. If you see how his elder brother just abandoned him to suffer in that village. Oh, Kamsy, that was bubbling.
It's too bad.
Well, I will take him to the shop tomorrow. Let me see what he thinks about it.
Fine by me.
Thank you for your support.
You know that I've missed you.
Missed you too much.
I've equally missed your touch.
I missed you, baby. So what do you think? I missed you too.
You tell me. You're the one that was bragging downstairs about Nga Piagotali. Nga Piagotali.
Baby, a minute. Nga Piagotali na bania.
Nana.
Oga, good day, sir.
Can only happen that place open like that?
Oga, immediately Chinasa left, so I just rushed the back here to arrange this.
Where's Nkechi? She went to the bank.
Yes, to deposit the money, sir.
Did Alaji Bago come here with his boys?
Yes, they came and they got all the supplies, sir.
Did he give you my money?
Yes.
Where did you keep it? And you kept it there? Why didn't you? You would have given it to Nkechi to take to the bank.
I've collected the money.
My brother. This is Nana, my manager. Nana, my brother and friend, Kamsy.
Nice to meet you, sir.
He will be staying with us from now. You will coach him everything that concerns this business until he opens his own. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Every gimmick that concerns this business, you introduce him to our suppliers, those from the Bangkok and the China, their distributors, you introduce him. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Listen, take him to the warehouse. Each time you're going there, he'll be coming from time to time. He will not be coming every time. Make every provisions for him. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, go. Come. Go to brother's place. Get me my... tell him to give you the food.
Okay, sir.
Now, name mania. Now, you have to just say, the barrier ourselves. Try to go.
Why, Mama? How could you? How could you have allowed that man to take Kamsy away from this village?
Ndubisi, you wanted your brother to remain in this village forever, where? Is that what you're telling me?
Mama, that's not what I meant. We had an agreement, didn't we?
Which agreement? You and who?
Mama, stop acting like you know not what I'm talking about. We had an agreement that I'll help him out in no time soon. And I promised to...
Your brother has suffered in this village. And you act like you don't care.
Like I don't care. Mama, hear yourself out speak. How could I not care for my only brother's welfare?
Do I know? Do I know? Promises. The whole thing was lingering for too long. I couldn't hold him back.
And you think giving him away to somebody else will be the best option?
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Well, he left with his classmate, Emeka.
His classmate?
You know him, Emeka?
His classmate? Do you know what he does in Abuja? Or you think that everybody that lives in the city is into honest and decent job?
Ndubisi, whatever he does, I know that he will make my son's life better. He will make him useful.
So you are in support of this?
What do you want me to do? Anyway, I asked him to see you when he gets there.
Okay, well.
God of heaven, for how long will I continue to live like this? For how long will I continue hoping that Kamsy will make it and then come for my hand in marriage? I've lost countless numbers of suitors, all because of him. My father doesn't speak to me anymore, all because of my decision to wait for Kamsy. Of course, I love him so much. But does he still feel the same way to me? Who knows what he's doing right now? Oye, better not allow yourself be on the lost side. It's time I got married than waiting for the unknown. That's what I would do. I'm sorry, Kamsy. I do love you, but age is not always favorable to women. You can find yourself another girl when you're ready. Goodbye, my love. Goodbye, Kamsy.
Now I will come to the shop. They come to buy.
They call her. Jamaican.
But they buy so.
No. Ah! You know what? British customers. Comes. No. You have been in business with me now for about 1 year.
Yes.
And from what I've observed, I think you understand the business very well.
Yes, I do. I can cope.
Let me ask you a question, very senior question. Can you cope on your own now?
Of course I can. I can.
You can?
Yes. Let me tell you, I just want to thank God though, for the gift of you. I thank you so much. I appreciate everything you've done for me.
You know that my shop at Zuba area.
We've been there a couple of times.
Yes. It is now yours.
Wait. I should take it.
It is yours.
Hey! I can't believe this.
That is my own contribution. Use it and start life.
Hey! Amy, thank you so much.
Oh boy.
God bless you.
No. You want us to do that?
No, not like that now. Not like that. Please now. Thank you so much.
There's something I want you to do.
Amy, you see me? Go. I will shout.
Shout if you wish to.
Hey.
I need a favor from you.
Amy, say what is it? Just ask me.
I need a big favor.
What is it, Amy? Tell me anything I will do for you, my brother.
Footboy, you know we have been very close friends.
Yes.
We have not lied to each other before.
That's true.
Though you are very stubborn. You know that.
Ask now.
It's been disturbing me.
What is it?
I don't know how to tell you. will you do it for me?
What is it?
Oh boy. Go and see your brother.
I mean, why are you trying to spoil this evening? Why are you trying to spoil this evening? Why?
Chidere Ndubisi or Fonogu. You are an Igbo man. You are an Igbo. You are not going there to beg him money. Chidere or Fonogu. Go and see him. Go.
I'm coming, brother. Yes, wait, man. What is it? Oh, that is. Who are you? What is my name? Tell us here, brother. Come, say it, brother. Come, let's go.
Brother, good evening.
Ismail, you may go now. You may go inside and get a seat if you want to.
Oh, there will be no need. There will be no need, brother. I just came to let you know that I finally got into Abuja through my friend, in fact, my classmate. He has been of immense help to me. He has been the one giving me accommodation and...
After 1 year, now you're coming to see me. Kamsy, what are you doing in Abuja?
What other men are doing in Abuja? That's exactly what I'm doing.
How dare you speak to me with such boldness? How dare you?
How? How did I speak to you? Did I say anything wrong? Okay, maybe you tell me how you want me to speak to you.
Now listen to me. I want you to leave this town right now and go back to the village and wait until I'm ready for you.
Brother, that's very funny. Me go back to the village.
What did you say?
I said it's a joke. Night of 1,000 laughs.
Now I have seen that you have lost all respect and you have grown wings into talking to me anyhow. Leave my house and never you come near me.
Oh, brother, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. It's Mama I blame. It's Mama who asked me to come and say, if not, what's my business here? It's Mama. If not, I don't have any business with you. I don't.
Kamsy, you will suffer for this and I will stop.
You will stop doing what, Ndubisi? Ndubisi, you stop what? Ndubisi, you stop giving me money? The one you have been giving me? Ndubisi, you stop giving me the air I breathe? Are you the God who gives it to me? Ndubisi, you can never be my God, oh. You can never be and you will never be. Let me tell you something, Ndubisi. You are nothing to me. You are nothing. If not for Mama, why would I be coming here to insult myself?
Leave my house this minute. I'll ask the man to throw you out.
There will be no need. Ndubisi, the day you see my 2 feet in this house, call me a fool. Ndubisi, you are not my God, though. You can never be my God. But I want to tell you something. You will hear my story in this Abuja. I will succeed. Me, Kamsy, I will succeed. You will hear my story and I'll turn my story to glory unless I'm not serving a living God in Ndubisi. Take your big house, eat it, big house, big car, philanthropist, good man, chief, you give to the poor. You will hear my story. You send the gate man, don't worry, I will go. You send the gate man to throw me out of your house. Philanthropist.
You're a very big man. Onasagi, Obelora High Chief, Sosagi, Omeji Benana, Ojiko Way Jafo, you are Balawara.
this is now your shop. Everything inside it now belongs to you. Take it. Congratulations.
Because, is this a dream?
No, it's not a dream. It's a reality. See, you have to work so hard to make sure you grow this business. I want in the next 1 or 2 years, you have branches all over the place, so that you will shame your enemies.
Hey! Marcus, please, wake me up from this dream. Wake me up! Hey! My brother, thank you so much.
No, you don't kneel down for me.
No!
It is only God we kneel down for.
Thank you so much.
See, my brother. The Lord reigneth, and His goodness thereof belongs to all of us. It is now your own. Let's go inside. Hey.
Come on! You mean those things you took inside and these ones you bought for me?
Mama, I can buy 10 times the worth of these things, you know. I can buy it comfortably. God has been faithful to me.
With your money?
Comfortably.
God, I thank you! God, I thank you! Where are those people who said that my son is useless and cursed? Let them come and see him now. Let them come and see him. God has remembered my son.
Mama, I just remember that there are times a man goes through. It's but a temporary thing in the sight of God.
I told you it is not easy to be a man.
Because when it's God's time, Mama, forget it.
How?
Forget it.
He has remembered you, my son. Hey! Everything for me. Hey!
Aye.
Come.
Mama.
Emeka even gave you his car.
Which car?
This one.
It's my car. Huh? I bought it with my own money.
Your car? This one?
My son has a car.
Mama, let me take the lights inside.
Hey. My son has a car. Hey! Hey! God, whoa! Hey!
Emeka, what are you doing with my brother?
With your brother? I don't understand.
Emeka, don't play dumb on me. Don't! Now listen to me. Send my brother back to the village where you picked him from. I have all the wealth in the world to help him when I'm ready for him.
Can you listen to yourself talk? I should take your brother back to the village to continue suffering? When you are ready, you bring him back to the city? Is your statement not wicked and callous? Eh? Are you talking to me? I am talking to you. Who are you? You are nothing but a sadist. It's obvious that you want your brother to die in the village. It's your plan.
And when has my family issues be of a thing of concern to you?
Oh, when it concerns Kamsy, it is my concern because we are like blood brothers. We are close friends. Look at you. You're not ashamed of yourself. You claim you have all the millions in the world. You cannot help. You are only blood brother. You are here donating money to charity, donating to churches, millions of naira. Meanwhile, your brother is dying in the village. And you are here talking to me about having money. God will not accept those donations.
Emeka, you are talking to me with such impunity.
I am talking to you. I am talking to you. What will you do? What will you do? Are you feeding me?
Listen, let me tell you something. God has used me to bless your brother, and my respect has been truncated by your ungrateful words. You should be grateful to me and to God that I helped you to help your brother. What? Oh, you are shocked. Now let me shock you the more. Do you know that Kamsy is doing very well? He's about to build his own building in the village. Oh, you're shocked. You're shocked.
Do you know I almost failed to recognize you? You're looking refreshed. Sweet.
It's me.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Let me get you cola.
Oh no, I'm fine, sir.
Welcome. So, where have you been all this while?
Oh, Abuja.
Abuja?
Yeah, I'm doing business there.
What type of business?
Oh, electronics.
Okay, that's good. You own this car?
Oh, yes.
Ah! You're welcome. Welcome.
I came to see Onyi.
My own Onyi, yeah?
Yes.
Onyi got married since.
What?
She got married.
When?
She got married. She got married to a Ghanaian.
Ghanaian?
Right now, 2 of them are in Ghana.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Why me?
Yes.
Sir, oh my God. You know, I love Oni so much.
Yes,
I love her so much.
I saw it. Only equally loved you, but she waited for you. You know, women's beauty can fade anytime. She waited for you. She couldn't see you. She jumped into the marriage wagon. But there's nothing to bother about. There are many beautiful girls out there. Some even more beautiful than my daughter. It's always a multitude you can choose from. Girls are very desperate these days. You see, as we have made it, just snap your fingers, jump, they flock around you. So regard my daughter as a past tense.
Uncle, you will not understand. I love Oni so much. I love that girl.
Like I said, she equally loved you. But
it's okay, no?
Please.
Come. Don't tell me you're still thinking about that same girl.
Mama, I love her so much. Onyinye means so much to me, Mama.
Maybe she was not meant for you.
How would you know that?
If she was meant for you, she would have waited.
That's the point. It's all my fault. For how long would she wait, Mama? For how long? Mama, isn't it obvious that she would have married me if I had money? But I did not have. I was useless. And even now, I am even useless.
Kamsy, stop. Stop. You couldn't have been faster than God. God gave you money at his own time.
Mama, I was struggling with her in mind. I was struggling for us. Now that I have the money, I can't get her. Mama, what is the essence of making money when you cannot use it to get that which you desire so much? That which you...
Kamsy, there are other good girls out there looking for husbands.
Mama, I am not interested. Mama, why did God delay things for me at the very first place? Why would he? What did I do? What did I do wrong? Where did I go wrong? What was my offense?
Nah, when did you get back? Enough!
It's not been too long, just an hour ago now.
I was worried though.
Why?
Your call there is something important you want to discuss with me. I said, where you now? I don't see you. Come now.
No, nothing.
No problems.
Nothing serious. I just wanted to let you know that I've gotten my own place. And I will be moving out.
You don't mean it?
Yes.
You want to know?
Yes.
You have an accommodation?
Yes.
My brother, Father Lord, thank you. You don't mean it?
Why not? Am I not learning from the master?
I am not pursuing you.
But I did not say so. I did not say so. Because what are you talking about? Because you have been a blessing to me. And I appreciate you, all the rest of my life. You've been a brother. You've done so much. But you see, I just have to move on. Now, if not for anything too now, I need to marry. All those things you do, every time you're doing that, I'm just watching.
I understand. I am so grateful that what people are saying, those people that laughed at you will laugh with you now. They will now know that you are not useless. No human being is useless.
Because I told them that my story will turn to my glory.
I am telling you. I beg you, lest I forget.
What?
I met your brother Ndubisi.
Which Ndubisi?
My brother. Thank God, it's not something I cannot narrate it to you.
Wait.
You need to see it.
So what happened?
Ndubisi stopped me on the way. His words were so threatening that I began to wonder, what have I done to this man?
He said all that rubbish. He's mad.
I gave it back to him. What? I insulted the living daylight out of him.
That is the point.
I
am proud of you.
He has money in his pocket.
You see, if all this thing you said, you did not attack him, but because you didn't do well. You did not do well.
What do you want me to do?
You would have poured sand in his eyes.
No, he's an elder, bro.
Not elder my foot, uncle my foot. See, the day that man crosses my path, I will cut him into bits and pieces. He's a madman. He's a madman.
See what? God has blessed you. God has blessed you through me. God is making me a blessing to others. And the Ndubisi times 100 will not stop me.
Marcus,
I am so happy for you.
Marcus, let me tell you the truth. The best thing God has ever done in my life is the gift of you. Giving you to me as a friend. Not just any type of friend. A friend who is a brother.
You don't forget Fompo Akupo. Hey! Siri! What? You just forget.
Silver and gold shall pass away, power and fame shall fade away. Why do men destroy one another, hurt their brother for the things of this world? My company, my money, yeah, food, my beauty, my power, vanity, everything in this world belongs to the Lord. My container in the high sea. Mr. President, you know me. Vanity.
Honey, why are you crying? What is the problem? Talk to me, my dear.
That is our wedding photograph. you look into the album, you would see how everybody was so happy when we tied the knots. There was expectations in their eyes. Expectation of blessings that comes with marriage. It's been 8 solid years and I'm here to give you a child.
Now, is that why you're crying, honey? It's okay. It's alright.
It's not alright. It's not alright. Mama called me today. Each time I see her call, my heart leaps with fear. Fear that I'm yet to give her a child.
But honey, it is not your fault. It is not your fault. Are you God that gives children? Tell me, are you?
Not everyone would understand it that way.
Forget about what people will say. You are my wife. I don't give a damn. There's nothing that can stop us from having children.
Then why is the delay? Why delaying it? Why?
Honey, we have to wait for God's time. You know they say God's time is the best. We have to be a little more patient.
Look, I'm losing it. I'm just losing it. I'm losing to be sincere with you. I can't even close my eyes and sleep at night anymore.
Honey, listen to me. Wipe your tears. You're reborn again, ain't you? Look at me. You're reborn again, right? And you know the Bible pretty good. Maybe better than I do. Abraham kept faith in the Lord. And he was later blessed. So the Lord could do the same for us. We just have to be patient. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, honey.
Darling.
Sweetie, I told you I'm running late for a meeting.
I thought we discussed about something we've not concluded yet on.
What are you talking about?
Remember I told you we're meant to see a man of God for prayers? As regards our condition.
Meaning the one we have been praying in the house is not enough?
No. It's just that we need the man of God to assist us in our condition.
What condition? We don't have any condition. I don't know why you have refused to be patient.
Who says I'm not? I only suggest we go for prayers.
I don't think it's the best option. We have to continue to pray in our own ways. Instead of inviting a pastor or a man of God or whatever you call it, who will come here and start compounding issues as if we are the only couple in the world yet to beget a child.
Honey, I'm just saying we need to...
Enough! I said enough.
My friend. I thought you wouldn't come out. I'm sorry, I just had to do something inside. What was it you said you wanted to talk to me about? Ella, I've been living a life of misery ever since I got married. Misery? I don't understand. How is that? Why? Ella, take a look at me. You know me. Take a good look at me. Ever since I got married, I've not been able to have a child for my husband. Ella, not even a miscarriage. Nah. My mother-in-law is fast losing hope on me. When I look outside, when I walk outside, the look on people's faces, they look at me like I'm barren. Like I'm a barren woman. I know how you feel. I feel your pain. But have you talked to anybody concerning this? Maybe a gynecologist, a professional, or somebody? What are you saying? We have sought help from so many gynecologists in this country, but yet no solution. Ella, I am tired. I'm frustrated. No, just let me express myself. Let me express myself. All my sisters are all married with their kids in their respective homes. Why should mine be different? Why? It's alright, my friend. It's okay. I'm sure God sees everything that happens. He knows how you feel right now. But have you talked to a man of God, Constant? I mean, a very strong man of God.
No, I told my husband about it, but he seemed not to like the idea. He said that we can always pray ourselves out of this situation without seeking the help of a man of God.
No, that is totally wrong. There are certain situations a man faces in life that he needs the prayer from a very strong man of God to overcome it.
That is exactly what I told him. Exactly.
There is this very strong man of God I know. He's a very good friend. I'm sure he can be of assistance.
Oh, that is great. When can I see him?
I'm taking you there now. What are we friends for?
Really? Let's go now.
Okay. No. You're having a cup of juice before we leave. So sit down while I get you something to drink.
Okay, just hurry up. Let's go.
It's okay. I'll be out in a bit.
Oh, baby.
What's up?
So, symptoms of typhoid and malaria.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. I suspected the frequent throwing ups in the mornings. I knew that something was wrong. Sorry about that. Please, can I have the test so that I quickly go through it, know the drugs to get you immediately, okay? Oh my God.
Yeah.
Sorry, my dear. Oh my God. So how are you feeling?
Weak.
God. Sorry. What? You're pregnant?
I'm worried.
Baby, so you've been pregnant all this while?
I don't understand.
Are you pretending? Eh? Why did you do this to me? Oh, God. Baby. So I'm going to be a father.
Yes, congratulations.
Thank you. I'm going to be a father.
Yes.
Baby, do you know what? This calls more than a celebration.
Really?
I'm telling you, listen, I am going to spoil it tonight.
Okay, how do you intend to do that?
Huh? Let me tell you how I intend to do that. Now, just give me a minute.
Where are you going?
Just watch me. A surprise. Wait for me.
I should wait
Wait for me.
Okay, I'm waiting.
So what of the receipt?
That's what I just want.
So when next are we to check on you for the next remaining ones?
Say Tuesday next week, eh?
So that is how many days from now?
No, just say next week to be precise. Next week.
Alright, in that case, we'll be taking our leave.
Hello? Hello? Yes. What? That there is a delay. The goods won't come at expected. What? No, it's not good now. Tuesday next week? No. It's not good now. I hate my goods being delayed. This is not right.
Oh, honey, you're welcome.
Honey, wake up. Wake up.
Oh. Is it morning already? What is it?
It's midnight.
I thought we prayed before going to bed.
Let us say our midnight prayers.
Midnight what? Eh? Please, honey, allow me to sleep. I have so much going on in my mind and it is really disturbing me.
What is more disturbing than a marriage without procreation?
Hey! What is wrong with you? Eh? Are you the only woman without a child? Are you the only one in this situation? I am in it also.
That is why we need to get into prayers. Let our meals not be so far from the ground.
Enough! Honey, please, I'm begging you. Can we sleep? Huh? Please.
Oh, thank God it was a dream.
A dream?
I had a dream.
What is this all about?
I saw Kamsy. Kamsy was trying to stab my baby.
What? Which Kamsy, my friend?
Kamsy was trying to kill our baby.
No, it's not possible. Even in dreams, Kamsy cannot do that. Calm down. Nothing is wrong with our baby. Okay? Nothing is wrong with her. It's just a mere dream. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, come on. Alright, come on. Let's go back to sleep, okay? Come on. Let me nurse you to sleep. It's okay. I'm sorry. So, now, this is serious. So what do you intend doing? What's your plan?
My brother, I'm so confused. I don't even know what to do. I've been calling his number. He's not picking. And I called the manager. The manager said he left on Sunday with the goods since Sunday. The pressure is just getting too much.
Oh my God. Why are these businessmen, this manufacturer, why are they like this? They will tell you this, meanwhile they mean this. You have paid them for the goods, they should deliver. What's all these stories? Look at them, you are running away from your customer as if you're lying to them.
Do you know that I just had to even switch my phones off?
My brother, I understand. That is the gimmick of the business. You understand? But I think you should go to Lagos to look for them.
No, I intend to travel to Lagos tomorrow to find out what's up.
Tomorrow? Yeah. No, it's so soon. See, why don't you give them a day or two? Since the manager had told you that the goose is on its way, you might decide to go now and the goose will land Abuja.
Michael says I just have to travel. Let me travel.
If you ask me, I will say don't go tomorrow. Give them time to say, okay, give them the benefit of that if they are lying to you or not.
You don't understand. Don't worry, I'll travel.
Well, if you insist.
By the house in Kechi.
She's fine now, you know now. We are expecting our new baby.
Yeah. Papa baby or Papa bomb.
Nah, get your money, girl. No.
Welcome, sir. How are you? Has the Ibeh come with the truck yet?
No, sir.
Up to now? No, sir. And I told him that I have an appointment for the truck.
Oh. Hello? Yes, I'm at the shop waiting for you. But I told you I have an appointment 1 o'clock today now. Why are you doing this? Please, I'm waiting. You're keeping me waiting, I beg. Okay, I'm waiting. I'm here.
Yes, sir. Mr. Martins was said today. What about the invoice you requested?
Where is it?
Can you table, sir?
Okay. Hello? What? Accident! Where? Yes, he's my brother. My God.
Oga?
My God.
Oga?
Nana. Please, if Ibeh comes, tell him I had an emergency. I am rushing to the accident scene right now. Yes, if anybody else comes looking for me, please, you know what to tell the person, okay? Good, good. Father, let nothing happen to him, oh. God, please save his life. God, save his life for me. God! Ah! Hey! Kamsy accident.
Baby, you're welcome. How was your day? Baby, are you okay? Are you crying? What happened?
Kamsy is dead.
Kamsy's what?
Kamsy Enyiocha is dead. He died on his way to Lagos this morning.
What? Are you kidding? Kamsy is what? You're joking. No! What do you mean he's dead? How did that happen? Where? What?
Emmy, it's alright. It's alright, please. Stop this.
When my best friend is lying lifeless in the mortuary, how can it be okay?
I know, but death is a mystery of life. Nobody knows when it's coming or how. All you have to accept it, that he has completed his stay on earth.
Kamsy, why? Kamsy, why?
He was such a promising young man. He was so full of life. Death, why?
Amy, God knows the best. God knows the best.
We were together in this house till late last night. This early morning, I personally dropped him off at the park. I warned him not to embark on this journey. I warned him, but he refused. I would have just insisted. I would have just insisted. This wouldn't have happened now, God.
Death is inevitable. Nobody can stop it when it's coming. My brother, please take heart. Please.
What do I tell his parents? What do I tell his mom? How do I tell his mom that Kamsy Yochukwu is dead? How do I explain to his wicked elder brother that his brother, you know the circumstances surrounding his coming to live with me here in Abuja? God, do you know that Kamsy was about building a house? He was doing well in his business. Why death? Why death? Why my destiny death? Why Jesus Christ? Jesus Christ.
Emi, it's okay. Emi, it's okay. Ozugo, it's alright. I know how you feel. He's just a woman that is prompt to die. So do we someday. It's okay, my brother.
I just feel like dying.
Please.
I just feel like
dying.
No,
you won't die. You have a wife to take care of. Please, my brother. It's okay. Please, stand up. Take it, please.
Kamsy Yochukwu. Was this how you agreed with death? Was this how you had an agreement with death to just go just like that? Hey, Kamsy.
Hello, Mama. Good afternoon.
What?
What is it?
My brother Kamsy is dead.
What?
Thank you, Mom. Oh, thank you for bringing him back this way. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh! Oh! Kamsy, you did not tell me you were coming back this way. You said you wanted to go and get money. You did not tell me they will bring you back this way. You did not tell me. Oh! How? Hey! Ndubisi! Ndubisi, Rakuyame! Ndubisi, Rakuyame! Ndubisi, Rakuyame!
And I must tell you that I expressed shock over it. How could any human being on earth think that I had a hand in Kamsy, my best friend's death?
Shut up, you heartless and evil liar.
I was moved by pity to elevate your younger brother's suffering, which you perpetually left here in the village to rot. I was moved by pity.
Look at you. Listen to yourself. Good Samaritan.
My good thoughts and wishes were for him. I could never have hurt him in any way. What happened was just an eventuality that turned out to his untimely death, which I had no hand in. You are accusing me.
Emeka, it's okay. You see, I think, Emeka, listen. From the letter given to you, Emeka, you are to appear before the shrine and swear an oath. With that, we will now know the truth.
Isn't it? Exactly. Let him swear. Let him swear.
My fellow elders, Emeka, I understand your point. But as requested by the deceased family, of which you have no point in, if swearing before the shrine will absolve you of all the allegations before the villagers, I advise you do so.
Uncle, I will do that. I don't have any problems with that. I will go to the shrine of Unde to swear the oath to prove my innocence. I will.